Blaze Blend and Brew Mobile Bar. Thank you, Team Blaze. They're right over there. It's absolutely for free. You don't have to pay for that. You can drink as much as you want. You can have your favorite mixes and concoctions get prepared by the bartenders of Blaze Mobile Bar. Get a big slice, Josh and Joe. So you guys can get the big bite. That will practically give you some energy and sugar rush. After this, we're going to have Miss Arnie Lazada for her last set for this evening. So we're going to give a couple of two beautiful songs before we continue on with the second and last part of the program. Take as many pictures as you want, but please don't post it yet. The bride and the groom would love to post pictures probably by tomorrow or the day after tomorrow pag nakapagpahinga na po sila. Get a big slice from your huge wedding cake, Josh and Joe, as a symbol of your love and commitment for each other, and something that will give you some real good energy, some sugar rush. Ma'am Jen, maraming salamat. God bless you. Let's have the couple back on stage, please. Let's all witness this, family and friends. Ayan, Josh, since hawak mo na yung tinidor, could you please give your wife a big bite as a symbol of your love and commitment, and as a symbol that you will continue to love her even more starting today. Go ahead, mabuhay ang bagong kasal! So, could you please give your husband a bigger bite as a symbol that you will continue to prepare for his food, as a symbol of your love and commitment. Isang masigabong palakpakan muli para sa bagong kasal. Here's the ulit. Oh, so sweet. Thank you. Let's give them some water, some real good energy and some sugar rush. Baby, come on. Have some cake. May I ask everybody to raise their glasses of wine, juice, soda, iced tea, water, champagne, or whatever.